Hey there. So you're looking for a pressure washer that can tackle those tough outdoor cleaning jobs, right? Well, I've got just the thing for you. The Westinghouse ePX3500 is a great option for home and yard owners who want to keep their outdoor spaces clean and tidy. It's a pressure washer that's designed to make quick work of cleaning decks, patios, and more. So, what is the Westinghouse ePX3500 exactly? It's a compact and lightweight pressure washer that's perfect for small to medium-sized cleaning tasks. It's a great tool to have around the house, especially during spring and summer when you're spending more time outdoors. The Westinghouse ePX3500 is a versatile and reliable pressure washer that's designed to make cleaning easier and faster. Now, let's take a look at some of the key specs of the Westinghouse ePX3500. It's got a Max PSI of 2,500, which is plenty of power for most outdoor cleaning tasks, and a Max GPM of 1.76, which means it can handle a decent amount of water flow. It's also relatively lightweight, weighing in at just 19 pounds, making it easy to move around and maneuver. The hose length is 25 feet, which gives you plenty of reach, and the wand length is 17.5 inches, which is nice and long. And it's backed by a 3-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind knowing you're covered in case anything goes wrong. The combination of these specs makes it a great option for cleaning large areas quickly and efficiently. In real-world use, the Westinghouse ePX3500 is a beast. It can clean a dirty deck in no time. And it's also great for cleaning patios, sidewalks, and driveways. I've used it to clean my own deck and patio, and it's made a huge difference. The dirt and grime just melt away. The pressure washer is also very easy to use, even for someone who's not very familiar with this type of equipment. So, what's the verdict? I'd give the Westinghouse ePX3500 a solid 8 out of 10. It's a great pressure washer that's perfect for small to medium-sized cleaning tasks, and it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new pressure washer. It's a great option for anyone who wants to keep their outdoor spaces clean and tidy without breaking the bank. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Westinghouse ePX3500. It's a great tool to have around the house, and it's definitely made my outdoor cleaning tasks a lot easier. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient pressure washer, I definitely recommend checking out the Westinghouse ePX3500. So, if you like this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.